Hi, welcome to GarageDoorWeatherSeal.com. This video gives you a look at all of our different door stops, all the different colors we have. And this particular listing is for any one of these colors sold by the foot. We have other listings for this for a one car wide door, which is a 12 foot wide by 8 foot high or less. And we have a 2-car kit that is for a door 8 foot high by up to 18 foot wide or less. This listing is for sold by the foot, and it's available in 150 foot rolls right on down. Anything up to 150 foot would be a continuous piece, or we can pre-cut it. You can buy, say, 50 feet and tell me I want it cut into various different lengths. We can do that as well. This is a PVC and vinyl product. The PVC part that is nailed to the jamb is 2 inches wide. The vinyl is ribbed, and the vinyl is 1.5 inches wide, and it's molded and bonded to the PVC. It's thin. It's shipped in a roll. The boxes these are shipped in are about 32 inches by 32 inches by 4 inches. It's rolled up. We have colored nails that go with this, and when we sell it by the foot, we give you an appropriate amount of nails as well. Nails are included with this, no matter how you buy it, in a kit form or a by the foot form. And the nails are as closely matched to the weather seal as possible. These different colors are white, sandstone, almond, brown, green, terratone, adobe stone, and black. They are varied in such that this is what's available and should be a good match to any of your trim on any of your doors. So if you're buying it for a specific door, one door, a residential size door, go with a kit. If you've got you just need a piece or two, or you've got a lot of different doors to do, you can go with the by the foot. Thank you.